I'm Robbie Lusher. I love it when people call me the Dome Man. I've been doing geodesic domes for 45 years. I'm the Dome Man in Australia, and experience talks. We've been doing this a long time. Now recently we got a brief from a professor from the chemistry department from Monash University in Melbourne, and he wanted to make what's called a buckyball. They had tried to make this apparently out of aluminium tube and it had collapsed under its own weight. So using the system we had, I imitated what they wanted and it collapsed under its own weight. So it wasn't going to work using steel tube with our normal connection system. So we needed a specific new part to be made just for that application. Now usually our connectors have 5 or 6 joins. We needed something which had 3 joins, which didn't exist, doesn't exist anywhere. I could have got it made with injection molding and spent an awful lot of money, but EVOK3D came up with the possibility of doing this. We did the AutoCAD work and it worked brilliantly. I had contacted 3D printing in the past. They said, yeah, it's going to cost an exorbitant amount of dollars and we're not sure if it's going to fit your bill. This fits the bill, okay? I was really unaware that you could make something this strong. Apparently the HP printer is a new thing in the market. I don't know the technical word for what the material is, but this is almost as strong as alloy. Yes, and we could have used an alloy mold or injection molding, but the HP printer seems to have solved the problem, and quicker, faster, stronger. What else can you say? That's business. We want more of them.